in. Okay, here, here. Actually going in. This is the property on in Alton, Illinois. Just coming into the house. Going into the living room area. Need to put it work, but it's very doable. Nicely laid wood floors. Living room and dining room. Not too much work needed there. Okay, moving on. We have a small room apart from the dining room, living room area. Nice closet space in there. You can't really see. Let's see if this light comes on. Yes, it does. Okay, under the stair. Out of this room, we have the bathroom right next door. Tub on the inside. With the patio foyer view outside from the tub. Coming out of that, going further back from the front of the house into the kitchen area, and there is my business partner doing calculations on repairs. Okay, coming out from the kitchen area, we have back patio, thank you, for your area. Shed in the back. Decent yardage. Okay, going back. I'm going upstairs. Okay, up the stairs, the vent right off the steps. How efficient that is, I guess. First room to the right, upstairs. It's already carpeted, although it could use a new carpet or wood floors if it's nice underneath. Okay, guessing a closet space of some sort in the first bedroom upstairs, off the side of the house. Second bedroom to the left. Okay, get all the corners. pretty nice. I like the grand template layout of the room. Green 10. And as we go further back into the third room upstairs, so we can get some light. There we go. Just a little bit. Very, very decent property so far. And closet space in the room. It's a trapezoidal cat corner closet space there. Okay, we've got that. And into the third room, or fourth room, sorry. Fourth room upstairs. Very small room, however, there's an extra room. Okay. So, the closet space in there. Okay, and the bathroom, straight ahead off the steps. As you can see, steps are right there. There's room 1 again. Let's see. Room 1, room 2, room 3, and room 4. Okay, and the bathroom. Okay, and that's it. We'll go down to the basement from here. There's the basement right off of the kitchen. We'll go down now. Here's the basement area. Not as finished as the rest of the house. However, it is very doable in terms of fixability. Classic unfinished basement. I don't think there's any light on the side with the water heater on it. No, there's not. Too many webs to go over that way. Okay. And the circuit breaker. Thing looks to be intact. Looks can be very deceiving, however. So, that's it. And that's the property.